Okay, take deep breath in, inhale, exhale. Good, okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Good, okay, yeah, one more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, a little bit inhale, hold, okay? Okay, turn silent. Silent. Okay. Okay, and then your body goes. Okay, good. Okay. Good, okay, this hand go elbow. Oh, so that. Okay, yeah, sir.
Sí.
Okay. Good point. Okay, good. Okay. This hand. Good, good. Elbow. Elbow. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, perfect. Good, good. Okay. Move up now.
Okay.
So your final exam is really hard?
Yeah, I got 2 B's.
Oh.
Well, I got an A for my genetics lab.
Oh,
and
wow.
A B for my genetics class.
Okay.
And then I'm hoping for a C plus in biochem.
Oh, it's really hard, man.
Yes, he said he was gonna get a curve.
Okay,
I'm
sure.
hoping he does.
It's really difficult.
Biochem was really hard.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good, good. Okay. Oh, good. And your sister still in high school?
Yeah, she's still in high school.
So like all the exams finished? Low school?
No, she still has, I think, one more next week.
Okay,
And
okay.
then she's out for what's called the break.
I see. Okay.
I'll put it
Okay. 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 Good. Okay. And then turn silent, right? Yeah, sit for me. And then sit all the way back. Good. Okay. Oh, and then your hand do this. Yes. Okay. Relax. Okay, relax. Good. Okay, good. Make sure on that. Okay, yeah, lean back. Good. A little bit, yes. Yeah. So your mom's getting better, right? Much better. That pain, a little bit of pain. Oh, much better. Oh, I'm so happy for. Oh, you see the change?
Yeah, we see the change.
So before, like, I think like you mentioned about your mom went to all the MD med doctor, like X-ray, MRI, and then CAT scan. So.
We were to like pinpoint where like the damaged ones. They only said, oh, it must be just like I don't know, something in your head.
Like all this like headache, migraine, but it's much better, right? Your mom.
It's much better.
Oh, nice. I'm so
She used
happy.
to be like mad at it all the time because of like the
Oh
pain.
yeah, for sure.
Right now she's like happier.
Oh really?
Yeah. Much better, more relaxed too.
Oh.
Gracias a Dios.
So before your mom used to always get upset?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Because of the pain. But
Yeah.
now it's like she's more happier.
Oh,
and
it's,
relaxed.
oh, it's much better. Oh, okay, good. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm doing it.